PyanGo provides automated grant accounting built on top of NetSuite's SuiteCloud development network. We are going to look at matching grants in this video. First, we will look at grant matching or cost sharing between grants. Many donors require that when a nonprofit receives funding that they match dollar for dollar with other funding sources. The matched amount could be sourced from an internal general fund or from other funds serving in the same mission or program. PyanGo supports matching in two ways, either by a scheduled process run at the end of a period or in real time as transactions occur. Let's look at both of these. When viewing this particular grant, it can be matched to other grants. So here in this example, we've matched with the Homeless Wounded Warrior grant at a 25% rate up to a cap of $20,000. I can then jump to the Grant Matching Reporting subtab and review all of the impacts against this particular grant and the corresponding matched amount. So in this listing here, we can see the primary grant amount that has been charged to the Wounded Warrior Research Grant and the secondary matching amount at that 25% rate. This was generated by the scheduled process, which can be run at any time. When viewing a vendor bill, we can see the expense lines charged to this particular grant, the Wounded Warrior Research Grant. And then coming from the allocation tab that we just looked at on the grant award, we can see which other matching grants are included. Drilling down on the GL impact, we can see the real-time changes or impacts. So notice that we have the 250 line item impact from standard NetSuite, but then we have split that into two components at the detail level here using our SuiteGL capability. And so now we're charging that to the appropriate grant, either the Homeless Wounded Warrior at the 25% rate or the Wounded Warrior Research Grant at the other 75%. So we're basically doing a reclassification on a line-by-line basis for any of the expenses which are to be matched. And all of this is done in real time. Thanks for listening to this section on grant matching, which helps automate your grant administration.